Spring is the season when bacteria and viruses breed and spread seriously. Many communities will carry out outdoor disinfection and epidemic prevention in spring. However, the area of the community is large, and pure human disinfection and epidemic prevention is time-consuming and labor-consuming. It's very hard that can solve this problem. Today, let's take you to know about the Pure electric sprinkler. Let's first see what its advantages are. 1. Light and flexible. With strong trafficability, compact body, light and flexible, it is safer to drive in the community at the same time. It can also easily open the community square and sidewalk without damaging the floor tile wall cover and other public facilities. 2. The spraying area is large. The water tank is corrosion-resistant and durable, and can be filled with disinfectant for work. This small electric sprinkler can carry a fog gun for operations with a lift of 1520 meters, which can effectively inhibit the dust in the air.